Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. It's a very simple and straightforward process. Please make sure you watch the whole video and you will be able to do it in few minutes. So open your Microsoft Edge browser. So whenever we search here, let's say if I want to search anything like mobile or anything, you want Google as the search results from the address bar. So to set that, we just need to click on these three dots and we need to go to this settings option. Once you click on the settings option, you will have many options here at the left hand side: profiles, privacy, search, and services. And we need to go to the same on the second option, which is privacy, search, and services. Now, once you do that, here, I don't know if they have purposely done or something, because you need to scroll down to the bottom. You don't have to see or check anything. Just go to the bottom, and at the very last, at the very extreme bottom, you will find address bar and search. Now, to click here, once you click on that, you will find show me search and site suggestions using my typed characters. If you want, you can turn it on, or if you wish, you can close it. Turn it off. Now, the option which we are looking for here is the search engine used in address bar. Click on that, and from Bing or Yahoo you can select Google. If you want Yahoo or Bing, you can do that. And if you want Google as your default search engine is in especially Microsoft Edge browser, you can select that. And if you, by any chance, if you do not see Google as your default option here, what you can do is you can click on this manage search engine and you can add the Google homepage, the search engine here, by just clicking on add, and here you can type google.com. And you can also mention google.com here, and here you can simply mention Google. So by just adding, the next time when you will open this, you will find Google right here. So this is how you can change the Google, the default search engine in Microsoft Edge, and set Google as the main search provider. And guys, if your Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome is running slow, you can watch the tutorial in the playlist. From there, you can find how to make PC faster, how to speed up Google Chrome, and how to speed up the download speed of Microsoft Edge, how to speed up the overall performance of Microsoft Edge by adding DNS and a lot of other stuff. And those are very popular. If you go to the playlist of mine, and it will really help a lot, and it will make your computer performance definitely faster. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have successfully changed the default search engine. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.